Okay, hey guys, what's up? Fahad here, and today it's just going to be a quick unboxing of a new laptop that I have just received. This is different from the other laptop that I have reviewed and unboxed on this channel, which was the HP Pavilion X360 of 2017. This, however, is a Lenovo Yoga 530 Intel i3 8th generation, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of SSD, a 14-inch touch IPS full HD screen, and it comes with Windows Home. So yeah, I forgot the price. I'll be putting that up on the screen as well. And the reason I got this specific laptop is the SSD and obviously the 8th generation processor. My previous experience with SSD hard drives has been great, and I would take them over hard drives, HDDs any day. Let's just get into the unboxing. I guess there's not much to say at this moment in time. So okay, let's just get that out. Paperwork. Okay, absolutely no need for that. So this, I believe, is a setup guide. Yeah, don't need that either. Something else in a different language, Arabic, I don't know, whatever. We've got ourselves cable, wall adapter, 65 watts, Lenovo. Great. On to the laptop. Very well guarded, I must say. Oh my god, this thing is slim. Okay, so let's just put that aside. Here we are, the laptop itself. I got the gray color, I believe. What's the name? Mineral gray color. This is the color. I don't know if the lighting's proper enough to actually show the exact color. Yep, that's accurate. This is the color. It's dual tone, so the bottom of the laptop is silver, the top is gray. I think I like this. There was also an option for blue color, but that was more expensive, so I did not go for that option. Okay, so here we are. No branding on the outside. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I can automatically tell that it is going to be backlit. I was not sure about that when I first purchased this laptop, so that is actually something nice to know. I have read on forums that the fingerprint scanner does not seem to work. Now I'll have to go in and check in the software department and see if all the drivers are functioning or not. I feel like that's something you guys should keep in mind. The fingerprint scanner does not work for some laptops, and I feel like mine could also be the case, but I'm not buying this laptop for the fingerprint scanner. I was buying it for the price and the specs I was getting. Fast charging, optional active pen, and 360. So yeah, I forgot to mention that this is a 2-in-1 convertible. I don't see any reason for you guys to actually consider that when buying a laptop, but I mean, this comes with it, so why not? It has a touch screen and a 360 hinge. So yeah, I guess just like that. Not the most convenient. You've got the keys on the back. Yeah, definitely not the most convenient. Okay, Lenovo branding, finally, something. Alright, just a quick look around to show you guys the ports. Coming to the right side first, we've got ourselves a safety lock, whatever you call it. I don't even know the exact name. USB 3, it says SS, so that should be 3.0. SD card reader, power button, and this is just an icon to show that the hard drive is active. That's just an LED indicator. Here we have charging port, indicator for the charging port, HDMI, another USB 3.0. This is a USB-C, and then a headphone jack. Now we have speakers here, I believe. Speakers, vents, more vents. It's just the left one that's actually a vent. These two are just plastic. I believe that's just for symmetry. Cheeky Lenovo. Another thing I noticed is that it says that the audio has been tuned by Harman. Audio by Harman. I see a camera. So yeah, 14-inch. Bezels look kind of small, so that'll be interesting. So let's start it up. and actually see how small the bezels are. Okay, backlight has turned on, and there you go, Lenovo. Okay, yeah, that's a pretty decent screen. I actually really like that full HD. I think that's it for the unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see anything else on this channel, please drop your suggestions in the comments section. Have a great day ahead, and goodbye.